When working in the round, you usually chain so many and then join with a slip stitch to form a ring that you actually work into. But there is another method called an adjustable loop. You take the yarn tail, hold it right here, and then wind the working yarn around your fingers like this. You just hold the top of that loop that you made at the top here where the strands cross. And this is the ring that I'm going to work into. This is a little awkward right here, but you're going to pull up a loop like that. And then you yarn over and draw through the loop. This does not count as a chain, it just locks the ring. Now you see the ring that I'm going to be working into? If you were working taller stitches, you would go ahead and chain out the beginning chain, but I'm going to be working single crochets, so I'm just going to chain one. And then I'm going to work into the adjustable loop, the ring that I made. And as you work along, this ring will not stay this size. This is pretty good sized. You don't want it to be big and loopy like this, but as you work into it and fill it up, or however many stitches you were going to work, I'm going to quit here in just a minute. The adjustable part of it comes into play. This tail end, when you pull on it, will reduce this ring to a very tiny hole. And then you just join with a slip stitch to the first stitch that you worked, like this, and that completes that first round.